Welcome to the cooler report. I'm go ahead to introduce our new products on my right hand. This is a double plate hot burners. Let me give you the measurements first. The unit's length is about like a 12 inches wide. And depth of the unit is about like a 29 inches. And the overall height is about like a 10.5 inches tall. And as we can see, the units at the front, they have two knobs for you to control each of the burners. And the manufacturer offer the regulator connections. They do have a PAP connection at the behind. And on the side of the units, they come with the ETL sanitation sticker side and BTU information, manufacturer information, all the cut sheet details. Now we can take a look closer to see the burner plates. Okay, when we take a look closer, we can see they have this two removable top. You can see the burners pans right here, and they have two pipes at the bottoms. You can clean it when you have some dirt, and also they come with a tray. You can slide it out. If any dirt right here, you can just clean up. And for this burner pad, the diameters, they are about like 6.5 inches diameters. And this is all information about the burner plates. Thank you for watching these videos. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us.